Have you ever woken up drenched in sweat even though your room is cool? If you're a man experiencing severe night sweats, you're not alone. But what's really causing it? And is it something to worry about? Stay tuned as we uncover the surprising reasons behind night sweats and what you can do about them. Night sweats can be frustrating and even alarming. They can soak your sheets, disrupt your sleep, and leave you feeling exhausted the next day. While occasional sweating at night is normal, persistent or severe night sweats might signal an underlying issue. Today we'll explore the most common causes, from medical conditions to lifestyle factors, and share some practical solutions to help you sleep comfortably. First, let's talk about hormones. Testosterone plays a crucial role in regulating body temperature. When levels drop, especially with age, it can lead to increased sweating at night. Men going through andropause, often called male menopause, may experience night sweats as a symptom of hormonal imbalance. Next, medications could be to blame. Certain drugs like antidepressants, steroids, and even some blood pressure medications list night sweats as a common side effect. If you've started a new medication and noticed excessive sweating, it's worth discussing with your doctor. Another key factor: stress and anxiety. When your body is in fight or flight mode, it releases adrenaline, which can raise your body temperature and cause excessive sweating. If you often feel stressed or anxious, relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing might help. Underlying infections such as tuberculosis or even common viral illnesses can also cause night sweats. Your body generates heat to fight off infections, leading to excessive sweating. If night sweats come with fever or unexplained weight loss, seek medical advice. And let's not forget sleep apnea. This common but often undiagnosed condition can cause night sweats due to disrupted breathing patterns. If you snore loudly, wake up gasping for air, or feel exhausted during the day, getting tested for sleep apnea is a good idea. Lifestyle choices play a huge role as well. Drinking alcohol or consuming spicy foods before bed can raise body temperature and trigger sweating. Similarly, wearing heavy sleepwear or using too many blankets can trap heat and make night sweats worse. So what can you do? Start by keeping your bedroom cool around 60-7 degree Celsius, 16-19 degree Celsius. Wear breathable, moisture-wicking fabrics and avoid alcohol and caffeine before bed. If stress is a trigger, try relaxation techniques to calm your nervous system. And of course, if your night sweats are persistent or accompanied by other concerning symptoms, consult a healthcare professional. Night sweats can be disruptive, but understanding the cause is the first step toward relief. Whether it's adjusting your lifestyle or seeking medical advice, small changes can make a big difference in your sleep quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Have you ever experienced night sweats? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.